To add integers, you should first consider the signs of each number. If the signs are the same, add absolute values of each number and carry the common sign. If you are adding integers whose signs are different, then subtract absolute values of each number and use to sign the number which has the greatest absolute value. Let's add -6 and -2. Both -6 and -2 have the same negative sign. We'll add 6 and 2 to get 8 and carry the negative sign. So -6 plus -2 equals -8. Let's add -9 and 6. We're adding a negative and a positive. Because we have different signs, we'll subtract 9, take away 6, which gives us 3. Then carry the sign the number with the larger absolute value, which is 9. 9 is larger than 6, so we use the negative sign. So -9 plus 6 equals -3. Let's now add 12 and -4. Here again the numbers have different signs. Subtract 12, take away 4 to get 8. The answer is positive since 12 has the larger absolute value than -4. 12 plus a -4 equals 8. We're going to add -6 plus 2 plus -9 plus -7 plus 3. If you wish, we can reorder the numbers to make the addition easier. You could group the positive numbers, 2 and 3, and group the negative numbers, -6, -9, and -7. We'll add each group of numbers. The 2 plus 3 will give us 5. The -6 plus -9 plus -7 is -22. We'll then add 5 plus -22 to get -17. Try to practice problems to see that you understand this concept.